Finding the best luxury real estate for sale is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Do you dream of a waterfront mansion, a mountain retreat, or a sleek city penthouse? Define your preferred region, city, or specific neighborhood. Are you interested in a single family home, a condo, a sprawling estate, or something unique? How many bedrooms and bathrooms do you need? What amenities are essential, like pools, gyms, spas, or home theaters? Set a realistic budget for the purchase and associated costs like taxes and maintenance. Partner with reputable agencies specializing in luxury properties within your desired location. They have extensive knowledge of the market and exclusive listings. Websites like Sotheby's International Realty James Edition and LuxuryEstate.com showcase stunning properties worldwide and offer advanced search filters based on your preferences. Consider luxury real estate concierge services, which provide personalized search assistance, negotiation expertise, and market insights. Many websites allow searching by amenities like waterfront views, designer kitchens, or smart home technology. Take advantage of virtual tours offered by some listings to immerse yourself in the property and its surroundings. Explore real estate apps like Redfin or Zillow for luxury listings in your chosen area and set up alerts for new properties that meet your criteria. Consult with professionals familiar with luxury real estate renovations and construction. They can provide insights into potential property upgrades and value. Discuss your budget and financing options with a financial advisor specializing in luxury real estate transactions. Get in touch with a lawyer experienced in real estate law to ensure a smooth and secure purchase process. Attend events showcasing exceptional properties in your area or desired location. This allows you to connect with agents, developers, or other potential resources. Visit open houses for luxury properties, even if they're not exactly what you're looking for. This can spark inspiration and give you a sense of the market and available options.